Introducing digital lighting management shades from Legrand. Watch natural and artificial light work together like magic for daylighting access, energy efficiency, comfort, and well-being. Control daylight like never before. Maximize occupant comfort and productivity. Minimize installation cost and complexity. It's a new day for light control. It's a new control for daylight. It starts with Legrand Commercial Shades. 500 plus fabric choices, custom projects, whisper quiet motors, and patented manual override. Now featuring native integration with Wattstopper DLM Lighting Controls for energy efficiency and total lighting control. Control light in a room, on a floor, in a building, an entire campus, or a hospital. Enjoy native integration of automated DLM shades and lighting controls for seamless control of daylight from dawn to dusk. Greater occupant comfort and productivity. Increased energy savings. More productive buildings. Simple, flexible installation. Our innovative two-part shade cassette system installs 66% faster than competitors, saves time and cost on installations, thanks to its flexible wiring topology. Integrate, don't interface. Our free Topology wiring does away with clunky, after-the-fact black box interfaces and the need for home-run wiring, and eliminates unnecessary failure points and reduces time needed for electrical labor. Our patented whisper quiet motor technology uses less power, which simplifies the high-voltage infrastructure, requires fewer circuit breakers and fewer distribution panels, and ultimately means less mechanical space in a building's design. We're here for you. Everything is covered by a limited lifetime warranty, can be purchased with remote service plans, and includes project design support, all in seamless operation with the Wattstopper DLM system. Take full control with an integrated lighting and shading system designed to help you seize the daylight, simply, affordably, and beautifully.